Shubor nakaslem jong Nongtung Hima.
Ka kinhon ki executive member ka Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council hapo ka jinglamun chief executive member uba penyait sings aim kala her mentakasngi kala trik unaitung syakasnong ummat ka bahab hapo ka right Nongtung bad lejngo ya ka Jaka kentang ka baju bu Shyieng yiki long shwa man shwa ki badai ne ki khat arkur bad yakani ka Jaka la tip kum ka mau ba ki khat arkur Hagani gasngi ki rangba kur bat kinong chong snong nalor ka sunjuk ki rangba snong ka right Nongtung lai don lang ha ka jinglet jingo bat ban thau yi ki lat ban penne pensa ye gani ka Jaka bu Shyieng jong ki longshwa ki badai jong ki kur kum ka kur shadap makdo sten masharing saring pariat mujai bat kiwei ki kur UMDC ke Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council u Abhijit Kro u bami khman ye ka Chintong constituency uladran rengkat dah ka jing senran lang ki officer ne ka tanat khlau jong ka KAAC hagni gasngi la penlong ru ye ka jing yalang ka balingkot hamau ba jong ki khat ar kur ka bala penyaj do MLA bat MDC ka Mahati constituency u ba Charles Marngar ha ka bala yo ye ka jingkran lingkot no CEM ba penyaj sings im u MDC ka Chintong constituency u Abhijit Kro baru ba Charles Marngar Nakaliang u Abhijit Kro ula terwa panyarap penbha ye gani ke Jaka bat nakaliang u CEM ke KHADC ula ong ba ke KHADC kan mang pisa ban penne pensa ye gani ke Jaka ka ba kerpang ka ba de ke riti ke dostur jongki kur ka bala don nadu hendai hentai
ইয়াত আজি আপোনালোকৰ আহিছে বহুত ভাল লাগিছে I came to know these things is here first time pila aprang demi nang than lo aja tu gambrai no agodo kiba jate muk koi kintu mane yat bostu yat ase pure the things it here I didn't get it but today I get it so I'll give the link route till here.
Thank you.
If from next year, if I get the budget, but I'll make the boundary wall for here. Okay. For this. Gambra, hobar na. Boundary wall daro. Approach road. What's the wall?
Link road.
In this Ummat, they have got a JJM scheme. Yeah. Every house, I'll give I think
Water connection.
yeah, water connection. Each house they get water connection. I'll give water connection, and not only Khasi village, I'll give even Gurkha house, Khasi, Karbi as well as other community also. In my constituency, there are lots of Khasi communities here. So I don't divide whether Khasi, Gurkha, Karbi. I don't divide. We are living together. We are living peace here. We don't have any problems. But Khasi and Karbi, little bit of gap is here. So if you have any problems about the Khasi, Khasi community, you come to me and. 22 years there is a gap between between the elected representative of here and the Khasi community. Little bit gap, no? Gap to us I got to. Into it gap to ribon alage moi also. Apono kiba problem hole move ho. I'll see you everything. Okay, I'll give you everything. If you need water, if you need electricity, if you need job, I'll give you. Don't worry. But you have to cooperate.
Kajingwan cumi hakani ka sni kadon ka thong ka bangiwan kata kalong bangin yo banwan ban jingo ya kani ka Jaka le nyam le rukom ka ba kini ki khat lai kur ki ju penlong ya ka jingbu Shyieng hakini ki mau benah hakani habahap apo jong ni ka ra te kum ka KHDC ka ba pek bakmi ya ka riti ka dostur te ngi sudairu banwan ban jungo thamtam ru omtang ye kani ka Jaka le niam henrei banwan ban ya kendu bat phi ki nong song snong te ki balong ki khun Khasi khara ki jungi ki parado prasnam ki jungi ki bahap bagi basyong basa hakini ki dong thai te naka jingkumen ni wan mentaka sngi ban ya kendu epi kerpang ru ya ka jing priang subhan naka liang ka karbi anglong atun mas council yang ikum ka KHDC ban yo ban wan ban jungo ekani ka Jaka te naka liang jungi ngesmo ban penpau ya ka jingkumen ka bakrau bangi yo ban je i ekani ka Jaka bat kumjuru ka jingwan ka jungi kan long ka jing shingan ya pi kum kinong shong shong syakani ka dong ka thai te kum balapan sungo da i MEC menta habadan kanu ka jing ya kendu jing se nakal yang jungi ngin long bakloi ban ya kren suku ban ya kren ban ya penbai ya kita ka jing kenang bakademi kanu do ka jing ya kaja te nakal yang jungi ru ni sungkya bangi wan menta ni tingi iba kat ni kadang don kata bentah se khamtam hakale nyam le rukom ngiru ni sudai hi ban no senyang hakani ka khat lai kur jong ka kur hapo karat Nongtung te ngasoban ai kublei da burom ye e deputy CM ibadan lang ni iba PNCM i chairman jungi iba elbla Natai Deputy Chairman Ba Charles, EM Iba Tebor, Bat EM Ba Rangkensai, Kam Kerpang Ru Masoban I Kublai Perlok MEC Jungi, Naka Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, Iba Hakapor Kabalingkot, Ilayo Banwan Ban Priang Subha, Yengi Hakani Jaka. Dengan Soban I Kublai Kerpang Namentaki Circle Officers, Ki Ranger, naka karbi anglong autonomous council ki braidon lang kumju ki officers baki staff ni syong perkhat but kadlo bangin mang daka scheme naka liang ka KHDC ban yo ban ai ijing te hakani ka Jaka ban pensa nam sa buram nam ta ki longshwa ni kam kerpang ru nam ta ki paradok persnam jungin ki basa hakani ka dong thai te khnang ba kani ka le nem le rukom jong kini gikur kan yaisa pateng la pateng te on behalf of the KHDC the Khadc Hills Autonomous District Council we are very happy and fortunate to be here in block 2 especially in this Ummat village where we could come and visit and see this monolith area where there's as per the ancestors used to perform their rituals and also they used to perform their custom and tradition where the 13 clans used to come and offer prayers here especially to keep their remains here and we also as the KHDC we are very happy to meet our people here also the Khadc community and we are very happy that the MEC has assured that we will take care of all our people also. And also we really want that our community should live in peace and harmony here. And our purpose of visit is to create awareness that KHDC and KAAC will work together from now onwards. And also from the KHDC we also want to have something to to give something to this particular area, to develop this area, and we will work with that. Okay. Anything to develop, especially that this particular place should be preserved, and it is a showcase of our Khadc custom and tradition. So we don't want this place to vanish in future. We want this place so that it will be preserved with the help of the KACC and KHDC. So we will work together for that.
Baya kariti kedustur kejong day ban penek ban sa yakni ki mau Shyieng ko mga onto ai ban kolar ban sale ye mo na ka banta ban sa jing kan mau ko yakni ke jingwan kan sini bat bangada bandri kendong ya kariti kedustur kejong ini ai population ko ne yapi kamtam ba pilakran ya o MSC na po karbi ang lo na ka benda ka suk ka san agane ka dong ka jong ban nang ni sakmat ban ye trai lam ai ni sung thu nginom keren sibun agak bede bagajing ya mo kende ko pensam nginom keren mata dari wangiwan na ke subject nai habang idon pada kejing itu hilang ni kemudian balada kita kikam kinang ya ke sok sok selesai kan wan po kadong kathan ke jong kata ke kejing kemudian bangsan ne beli sibun itu la pelupor banwan kanang nak mata ni kesengi bani do ingi te ni kuat bani tu itu ba ni klub berti pa ba iklan berti pa ba nomor balai nomor kam dade ya ko por bangi pa ba tin rei nya ai ku balai pa dai ki pa ba no susnong bakat ni piawan mo au bu Shyieng jong di khat ar ki kur ki bodan karai Nongtung de CM bat ke tim ke jong i dekat MSC la po ka biang long ni la sakim da sengi dia kalong ke ba pensa jing ke mau ini ikiwei ki kam pa de ki basa ngin senang ya penbait mangi bat ki nong yalam Nongtung ki karat bat kesenjot kirang mas nong teh kini kepot i program i walangkon de shwa bangan IT sha i abisek bolong MSC bat kumju CM jongi ngin ai keren tangarun de sesisen ngap yang sumhai pi de nakal yang jonga kwa menaru ba ijing keren ai kublei balangkot pada ngin sayo nakal yang jongi sketri jongka right ko jongi so my request is let us work together. We'll keep in touch. From my side also, see, we want that for people living here should live peacefully in this place. So let us work together. You are a local representative of Kabi Anglong Chin Hong constituency. I'm the local representative. Let us work together from now onward. One more thing that I want to request you. See, the aspect the agreement Meghalaya government and Assam, we should not stop development both sides from Meghalaya and from Assam. So I want to see that our developmental schemes coming from Meghalaya also should not stop by Assam. This is I want to request you. So from now onward, let us work together as per the agreement of Meghalaya.
Nakalyang usim kena ka right Nongtung upaim Shadam ulabatai halor ka jingdon kamban pene pensa ya kani ka lau kentang kabari ka klau ka baki pene pensa ya ki Shyieng jong ki khat arkur bat ka jingwan ya so syakakur pariat menta kiladon khat lai kur usim kena ulabatai ru ba ya ki Shyieng jong ki bala khlat laki khlat hangno ru ki badai ne ka right Nongtung kin wanra bat tep hagani ka klau halaki jong ki Jaka ki berada ban ai ya ki kur ulia thoru ba ya ka le nyam le ru kom ru ka don henrei hagini ki khnjat snem ka jingwan tep Shyieng kam sim la don shu henrei ka jing penne pensa kadang don hadu kini kisni
ya Shyieng jong ki khat ar ko sebin he de ta mun life tan ta dong segoro ki ya nang ro bi de ki Nongtung di Khadc untuk video ini disebut ni bu laga jong ma
Kabut kani ditang po karai.
Nongtung na ni bu ang ni hasitar nang tur diwan ni
Situ ikut
tur de di Sadap di Mapur di Masyering di Mapdo di Sten di Parian Timujai, Kelendo, Masinting, Limarang lagi itu, Lemare, kita di sana aku. Kalau lah ni pariat, Pongnya demam jengkir dan hite.
Aduh minta dong ibu ben.
Aduh minta dari lah. Sebenarnya nak ni lah sangat, Maria Bon juga telah kerana.
Isim kena syuatu kan dia banduk ya.
Kalai.
ikut.
Kani ke Jaka mengisong ne ke Jaka ba Long Dorbar ki Longsan Mansan ki Yesong Tema.
Kamut kini ki khat arpur ki bu iki mau Shyieng lala ka jong.
Lala ka jong.
Ndai haju.
Ndai haju. Tu la ka jong sembut la si. Pawai ke kur ka dan la jong ma. Tu ni pan gino ki barak jai. Kung basan masinting hap ki hajrong ke mau hap kaang. Pentip yo senong kau ya di marjan marpa ba. Kata kalawannya te kur berkata. Ke kaang hang ke mau basan ni oh. Te kajing kita kis terlibat ana do dan thai ini ro udang mil fakir ha
Dim sopiang. Ulong kuma.
Nda ada kita di
Ladu ko swab sisar pareng kalau don. Swab sisar ka pareng di don.
Di mulak palat sisi pak sini.
Kalau para modal.
Kani ke jumbo cieng ro la palat de kata
Tamu punya ileniam
cieng ne ro kalau swab
ileniam punya punya ini
kalau niam te la kajong kur kidon so subuh pariat udon so sla don so blay kita masiring ro kidon la kajong kur itu dia kita iki yang di so sla gitu
Kalau kita khat arkur basong ni karat nungtung.
Karai nungtung ha song basa ya
Lala ka jong.
Deh sijuk si Jaka sate.
Lala ka kur dah.
Kapor giawan giabon
Payun.
Sadu station yang
Kani di ka balong pedeng ni.
belum pedang ha
Manu sumar mentay kan?
sumar mar rai buat kasinong
Ni sumar na karat, ni sumar na kaliang kikur baro ni lang iya don Indonesia tu tengi preserve ikane ni preserve ka angkat ni telang kikur baro teman ka kur idon kan akur idon wewe basam jo kur tengi preserve ikane ka teman usnem isa perkui ka perkui mun arsin lana la sistem perkui ka bat kala niam te mong sim khna iklem le shu teendre preserve kini Jaka kita preserve hadu kita